Honorable President Mrs. Kamala Lakshman, Acting President Mrs. Parvati Narayan Swamy, our guest of honor Mr. Narayan Swamy, and Dr. Mr. and Mrs. Paranjpe, and all the distinguished guests, it's a great honor and privilege to be called upon to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Mahalakshmi Ladies Club Pune chapter, wish to place on record our sincere thanks to Mrs. Lakshman and Mrs. Parvati for the wonderful cooperation and leadership. They have been an inspiration to our club, and in guiding this event, thank you so much for gracing this day and sharing thoughts with us. Over the last 5 years, a lot of progress in our club's activities, arranging quality programs, and the members' involvement and consistent presence during the programs motivates us to improve and retain the members in our club. I thank Mrs. Uma Sarachandran, who is one of the valuable member and a pillar of our committee, an amazing and evergreen competitor for all our events. Thank you, Uma. I would like to thank Mr. Narayan Swamy for sparing his time to be with us today. I would like to thank all our honorable guests for their presence and participation today. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months before. It requires proper planning and a bird's eye for detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated committee members who know their job and are result-oriented like Mrs. Kumkum Mittal and Mrs. Geeta Narayan. A special thank to the photographer Mr. Basu, who has never refused our invitation, whether it is a small or big programs. Thank you so much, Mr. Basu. I sincerely thank all the participants who, with their busy schedules, practiced several times, performed very well, and entertained all of us today. We owe special gratitude to volunteers and officials of this PAN Card Club who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the club members and their spouses and friends for your attention and patience shown till the end of today's progress. Thank you so much for coming. Once again, warm thanks to you all. Members, please collect your magazines from Mrs. Nandini and Mrs. Usha. You may all proceed for dinner. It's a very long waited. We are extremely sorry. We made you so much, we waited you. Almost it's above our schedule. We thought of finishing it by 9 o'clock. We are extremely sorry for that because due to some problems, internal problems, we couldn't stick to our time. Next time, we learn by mistakes. Next time, definitely we owe you. Definitely we'll finish it well in advance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.